The following video outlines the steps necessary to properly install Powers AC100 Plus Gold injection adhesive anchoring systems. Those steps include drilling the hole, properly cleaning the hole, preparing the adhesive to inject, installing the adhesive, and instructions regarding the proper curing and loading times. The AC100 Plus Gold is a two-component vinyl ester injection adhesive system. The system includes injection adhesive, mixing nozzles, dispensing tools, steel brushes, and hand pump equipment. Compressed air must be used for larger sized hardware. The AC100 Plus Gold has been evaluated for uncracked concrete only. Suitable base materials include normal weight concrete ranging from 2,500 psi to 8,500 psi. Drill a hole into the base material with a rotary hammer tool to the size and embedment required by the selected anchor. The tolerances of the carbide drill bit should meet the requirements of ANSI standard B212.15. Blow the hole clean with compressed air or a hand pump supplied by Powers a minimum of 4 times. Please note, when installing threaded rod 7/8 diameter to 1¼ diameter or rebar number 7 to number 10, an air compressor must be used. Use a hand pump or compressed air for threaded rod sizes 3/8 to 3/4 or rebar sizes number 3 to number 6. Please note, however, when installing threaded rod 7/8 diameter to 1¼ diameter or rebar number 7 to number 10, an air compressor must be used. In case of standing water in the bored hole, the water must be removed from the hole. Starting from the bottom or the back of the hole, blow the hole clean with compressed air or a hand pump supplied by Powers a minimum of 4 times. Select the proper wire brush diameter and attach the brush to a drilling machine or battery screwdriver. Brush the hole with an appropriate size wire brush a minimum of 4 times. For deeper holes, a brush extension should be used. After the hole is properly brushed, blow the hole clean again with compressed air or a hand pump supplied by Powers a minimum of 4 times. Attach a supplied static mixing nozzle to the cartridge and load the cartridge into the correct dispensing tool. For every working interruption longer than recommended working time, as well as for new cartridges, a new static mixer must be used. Prior to inserting the anchor rod or rebar into the filled hole, the position of the embedment depth must be marked on the anchor rod. Prior to dispensing adhesive into the anchor hole, squeeze out separately a minimum of 3 full pumps and discard non-uniformly mixed adhesive components until the mortar shows a consistent gray color. Fill the cleaned hole approximately 2/3 full with adhesive, starting from the bottom or back of the anchor hole. Slowly withdraw the static mixing nozzle as the hole fills to avoid creating air pockets or voids. For diameters larger than 3/4 inches, a plastic extension nozzle should be used with the mixing nozzle. The anchor should be free of dirt, grease, oil, or other foreign material. Push the clean threaded rod or reinforcing bar into the anchor hole while turning slightly to ensure positive distribution of the adhesive until the embedment depth is reached. Be sure that the anchor is fully seated at the bottom of the anchor hole and that some adhesive has flowed from the top of the hole and around the anchor. Air pockets are present when the threaded rod or rebar attempt to spring from the hole, or air pockets burst during installation. In case of air pockets, remove rod or rebar, inject additional adhesive, and reinstall the anchor during the gel time. If the gel time has been exceeded or the adhesive has hardened, re-drill the hole and repeat the complete installation. Allow the adhesive to cure to the specified full curing time prior to applying any load. Do not load, disturb, or torque the anchor until the adhesive is fully cured. After full curing, the fixture may be installed. The nut and washer can be installed on the anchor, and the anchor can be tightened to its maximum torque using a calibrated torque wrench. AC100 Plus Gold is a two-part vinyl ester injection adhesive system. AC100 Plus Gold is suitable for uncracked concrete conditions. Hole cleaning requires the installer to brush the hole clean a minimum of 4 times. All AC100 Plus Gold cartridges come with their own standard mixing nozzle. AC100 Plus Gold can be used in base materials as low as 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Threaded rod and reinforcing bar, also referred to as the anchor, should be free of dirt, grease, and oil before installation. AC100 Plus Gold has been tested in accordance to the new AC308 standard for adhesive anchoring. AC100 Plus Gold can be used in a variety of base materials and temperature ranges. In order for proper hole cleaning, the installer should always use a rotary drill or battery-operated screw gun to mechanically spin the brushes. Drilled holes in the base material should meet the requirements of ANSI standard B212.15.